Luxury cars, a symphony of power, precision, and prestige. They're more than just vehicles, they're statements, experiences, and a gateway to a world of exclusivity. But before you succumb to their sleek lines and seductive whispers, let's lift the veil and explore the realities of living the luxury car life in India. Spectacular specs, unleashed power, throttling engines, razor-sharp handling, and acceleration that sends your heart racing are just the beginning. Opulence on wheels, luxurious interiors crafted with premium materials, cutting-edge technology, and features that pamper every sense. Safety beyond compare, advanced driver assistance systems, robust construction, and cutting-edge safety tech provide peace of mind on every journey. Brand mystique, owning a luxury car isn't just about the car, it's about aligning with the brand's heritage, legacy, and story. Advantages. Peak driving experience. Experience the pinnacle of automotive engineering, where every drive is a thrill and every corner a test of pure exhilaration. Comfort fit for royalty. Indulge in a cocoon of luxury, from supple leather seats to state-of-the-art climate control, every detail designed to corset you in comfort. Heads turn on command. Luxury cars aren't just noticed, they command attention. Be prepared to become the center of every conversation. A gateway to exclusivity, the world of luxury car ownership opens doors to exclusive events, communities, and experiences you won't find elsewhere. Disadvantages. A princely price tag. Luxury comes at a cost, a hefty one. Be prepared to shell out a significant sum for purchase, maintenance, and insurance. Fuel guzzlers. These powerhouses come with a thirst for fuel, making eco-conscious driving a challenge. Parking perils. Maneuvering these behemoths can be a test, especially in India's crowded cities. Owning a luxury car is a dream for many, but it's not a decision to be taken lightly. Weigh the advantages and disadvantages carefully, consider your lifestyle and budget, and take a test drive before you commit. Luxury car ownership is an experience, not just a purchase. Embrace the responsibility, revel in the exclusivity, and navigate the challenges with grace. Remember, it's not just about the car, it's about the journey you embark on with it.